this is my Arduino project, and I have my board all connected here, as you see. First off, in port 8, we have my tilt switch. In port 7, we have my button. Finally, in port 4, I have my LED light. And now we'll run a program. And we'll be using the Morse code here to double check. My ID first starts off with 5 zeros, and in my program, blue will represent dashes and red will represent dots. So the first number to be outputted should be 0, should be 5 blues. The following number is another 0. The next number is a 7. The next two numbers are 3s. And now the second 3. Our next number will be 1. Our second to last number will be 4. And our final number is going to be 0 again. Now let's say I want to restart my program when I just finished. I will now turn on my tilt switch. And now I'll rerun my program. As you see, it resets to 0. Now that I did my first input with the tilt switch, I'll turn that back off. And now my program will restart from the beginning. As you can see, the first two lights are still going to be 0 because the first two numbers of my ID were 0. This next input should be a 7. The following two should be 3s. A 1. A 4. And finally, our last 0. And yeah, that's my first Arduino project all tested with the 3 input components and with the LED lights.